Welcome back to DemBarnyardBuilds. I'm Evan, and I got my boy Alex here today. He's gonna help me get this bed off of this truck at a minimum. We hope it never goes the way we plan. Anyways, here's Alex. Yeah, he's pretty much like a Polynesian god. He's pretty much built like if Hercules was Polynesian. Has the hair of like Samson. So we're gonna try to get this thing going. All right, so let's figure out first off what's holding it on, because I know it's not bolts. This is going up on the garage wall. It's just so curved and bent. There's no point in me even trying to fix it. Buy a new one, 300 bucks. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I should make that disclaimer. Alex knows absolutely nothing about vehicles, so that's the best part. And whenever we get Adam here, it's gonna be probably just as bad, if not worse. So just get used to that. My mic's dead, or I would give you your own mic. Oh, gosh. But it'll probably pick up most of it. What's holding it? Okay, there's a board with wire.
So we should start with that, I guess.
It looks like there is bolts through the frame in a couple of places. I think it would probably just break.
Your tetanus.
I
guess we could just snap it.
I did have some snips. We'd probably kill ourselves trying to use this. I mean, shoot. It's a family channel. I'm gonna have to delete that part. Mammal isn't a bad word, so. Yeah, but if you say it, like, wait a minute,
down to the river, down to the river. Oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath, oh, fire and water me, going down deep, say, oh, bury me, carry me, oh, far beneath,
yeah, once you step in it, it's gonna drop.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Jump in the back of it.
I'm scared. I weigh 220.
Maybe it's not.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah. No, it's gonna be fine in the middle of it. There ain't nothing.
Well,
it's just the shocks.
Through the wood.
You're not gonna fall through the wood. There's metal under there. This is holding the bedsides from going outwards.
Oh, there it went.
Told you.
I'm glad my foot wasn't under that. That would hurt. Didn't even realize it.
It's literally, the screws are strong, bro. Dude, those are the strongest screws. And rotten wood, too.
Change the plan, scrap the whole bed.
Well, the whole bed is getting scrapped.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't care about the bed. I just don't want to bend the bed into the cab. Okay.
You did say barnyard.
Barnyard builds.
So we use what you got at the barnyard.
That's all we can do. Dang, it'd be nice if I could see. All right, guys. If you're still watching at this point, you're probably not. We're gonna have to use the phone for light to get these bolts out. So just imagine us professionally removing these bolts in the quickest way possible. Out here, this is DemBarnyardBuilds. This is what it's about. We got lights from everything shining just so we can do this. It's like, what's that movie with the guy that played for the Eagles and they all played like football out in the parking lot with all, yeah, Invincible.
Right, get the gas tank out.
Yeah. Alright, so we got most of it free, but the problem is now the gas tank's mounted on the driver's side. We think that's what's holding it in because the tank's mounted to the bed floor and to the bedside for whatever reason. So We're gonna try to get that now. Alex is getting a good dose of what it's like to mess around with these old, beat up, passed down for generation type vehicles. So I'm sure he's loving it.
I want to put it on that side next to the gas tank.
Well, because they're not using this at all. It's probably just easier to run it down that side.
Sorry, this is my first time online.
Free?
Yes, no. The hose is sitting right here.
What type of hose is it? What do you think about my Ford sticker, Alex? It's,
Nice.
yeah, just Ford. That's it.
What about
pretty
this
much.
wussy 101? What is that?
I think that's a highway, ain't it? Or a radio
It's
station.
WUSY.
Yeah.
WUSY.
Why?
Knoxville. Inglewood.
Well, let me tell you about from the sky here. We've got traffic on the 101. See?
Oh yeah, it's just a flathead.
Oh no, I just lost the
I didn't get it
full
first.
socket. Okay, cool. I could have used that common bit. I think it's like 1/4 inch usually. It's a thermostat house. Once we get that, worst comes to worst, we just cut that dang line. It's gonna have to be replaced. Rubber hoses always fail.
Dry rot.
Yep. Fuel injection hoses aren't as bad, but just these regular fuel lines, like the carburetor,
It might be stripped out.
okay. Once you
I
cut
can't
it.
really see good enough to tell.
Well, you know what I say?
Cut it out.
Yeah. just cut the line.
The
Don't
line?
cut the tank. Yeah. I'll make sure I can get that. All right. Just don't cause any sparks. You don't want to blow up. That's why I'm not doing it. Go down a little lower, just in case. Tamara, look at your man. Oh, there's fuel in it.
Yeah.
I bet it smells like varnish. Is it off? Yeah. Turn it wide open though. There you go. Cool. That's out. Oh yeah, that smells like varnish. That's been in there for at least 8 years.
No more, no less.
Well, told you, most professional way possible. Remember that.
A little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more. Alright, pick up one. Alright. Hold up.
Now we keep them around. We're the force. Oh, don't break. So this is what we got. This is exactly how I'm gonna drive it through town. Dragging its tail. It's like a squatted truck, but only in the back. It's like a dog that ain't got back legs.
Look at this nut in there.
That's a bolt.
I think it's a nail, bro.
It's not a nail. That's
Look at that.
Is it? No, it's got corners. It's a
Yeah,
bolt.
it's okay. I was
I was like, where is it? Yeah, there
it
it
goes
is.
under right here.
Yeah, yeah, they go under
It's not
there.
that big.
I'm sure we could just take a strap and pull it up. I'm pretty confident in that. Yeah, that's what it looks like under here. They've used the wood instead of like cross seals to hold the bed. Alex is over here trying to break it free. And I mean, all this is gonna be fixed. It's all gonna be brand new. He's getting all these bolts out of here that he can find. Alex fells trees for a living. You know, it's kind of weird that he fells trees. He never felled in school, so, you know, some people move up and some people move down. We're gonna take all this, we're gonna clean all this rust off of this frame when we get all this free. We're gonna try to get all of our wiring and everything out of here, old brake lines, and then we're gonna clean this frame all the way down. Like I said, this truck is gonna be the nicest vehicle that I have, point blank, period. How do you feel?
Feel pretty good. Yeah.
No. All right, we're out here doing them barnyard builds right. So Alex is currently over there taking a piss. Got a truck shining the light on another truck. All Fords here. We got Ford, don't mind that thing. Ford. We got 3 generations. And yeah, just we're trying to see if we like the squatted look or not.
Right here, I think, whatever that is. These big pieces right here, I think what's holding it.
Yeah. Is there a bolt on the other side of that?
Yeah, there's something. I think that's a bolt.
Well, if there's a bed on it, we might be able to get it. Yeah, we see it. There's a... I think it's pretty rusty. Yeah, it's two. There's 2 coming from the fender into that piece, or at least one is going into that piece. So, okay, we just got to figure out how to get that out now, because I don't want to break the fender. So sadly, we did not get the bed off. We had 2 rivets holding us up on that side. They were rusted out on this side, so it didn't matter. But once we get that, we can get it lifted off. We've used saws. What I really needed was a grinder to get down in there, but couldn't use a grinder because it didn't have an extension cord. So that's the troubles on the farm. So out from Alex, bye from me. That's been DemBarnyardBuilds. All right, so we're back here again to get these this rivet here and that rivet down there to try to save the fender from cutting it. But once we get those ground off, hopefully the bed comes free. All right, so this is where we are. We got cut and got separation from this, but now something is holding it here. It's not bolts. I don't know what it is. I don't know if the metal is like rusted together somehow or what, but I'm gonna try to cut it. Try to pull that. Cool. Fender's getting caught. Go pull it. Watch your mouth, you're on YouTube.
Where?
Over here against the garage.
Not you not telling me that.
Oh, I was going to, and then. Awesome. Thanks, man. And that is the tale of how me and my wife did what me and Alex could not do. She didn't even say hi, bye. Well, now we're finally to the end of the video, getting the bed off. If you like what we're doing here, thumbs up, subscribe, hit the little bell thingy so you know when we post. But besides that, this has been another episode of DemBarnyardBuilds. Peace.
I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got
Man, you're gonna have a lot of fun with a wire brush.
the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect.
Is that? I didn't really think this through. I should have looked better before I was like, hey, come on out here, man.
can scrap this part of the video.
Yeah.
The first 15 minutes is just us walking around.
They see the number. All of my haters